Hi everyone, my name is Christy and look at what just arrived, my June 2023 Boxycharm with Beauty Boost, which it still feels so weird to me saying Boxycharm, but it's actually Ipsy now, and especially because this looks like a big Ipsy X box from back in the day. But I'm excited to get into this, even though last month Ipsy was such a mess with my orders. I only ended up getting one of my subscriptions because the rest had shipping issues, inventory issues. I got some refunds. I got like 2 products sent to me for the remainder of my subscriptions. So I'm not too pleased with Ipsy right now, but it's a new month and let's get on to the unboxings here. Actually, before I do, I just want to give a disclaimer that I pay for all of the Ipsy subscriptions myself. I don't get them in PR, and I love to unbox my subscriptions here on my YouTube channel and then review the makeup products as well. So if you like that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But now without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in this box. So here's how it came packaged. I got some shipping material in it this time. It feels like a very heavy, full box. Let's see if I got product information. No, just this card, True Colors. Like tips on how to wear different colors, the vibe that they give. This is kind of funny. But okay, I'm gonna go for this box here because I am very intrigued by what this is. Retro Glam Palette. Oh wow, yeah, talk about securely packaged. I appreciate that. Ooh, this is from Natasha Denona. Retro Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, I love getting an eyeshadow palette, and I love getting Natasha Denona products because they are pricey, but I get them for a good deal in this Boxycharm box. Oh, this is such a beautiful, like, aesthetically pleasing palette. From the packaging to the colors in here. I am so excited to play around with this. Definitely seems like a luxury palette. Ooh, very happy with the first product I pulled out here. Okay, next up, this is from the brand Dew of the Gods. It's Ultra Tonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner. So for me, I'm usually not too excited to get basically any products besides makeup, and I do use a toner morning and night, and I love watermelon, so I'll get use out of this, but to me it's just not as exciting to get, but I'll get to this eventually. And my skincare routine is not something that I change up very often. I basically use the same products until they're empty. So I'll try this out, but it's not something I'm gonna try out all that soon because my current toner that I'm enjoying still has plenty left in it. But I am excited to give this a try because it does sound like something I would like. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, right. So this is from the brand Elemis, which this is another skincare product, but I do really like Elemis skincare. It's some pricey high-end products. And this here is the Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. So it's a hydrating eye serum. And just like with the toner, I do use an eye cream, eye serum, eye product, basically, morning and night. But it's going to be the same situation where I probably won't try this all that soon. Oh wow, this is big for an eye product. I mean, I'm definitely excited to try this out because like I said, I like Elemis, and the fact that this is a serum is kind of fun, a little different than a classic eye cream, but still not as exciting as a makeup product. But once I finally get around to using this, I'll be excited to try it out. Okay, let's hope for some more makeup in here. Next, I've got from the brand This Works. It's Stress Check Sleep Lotion. Comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. So this is kind of a little different. It smells nice, but I'm not sure it's a smell that I really want to wear all over my body. That lavender and chamomile smell. Maybe on my hands it would be nice for sleep, but it is like I have the This Works pillow spray, and this basically smells just like that. So maybe that's why the smell is kind of throwing me off for a body lotion. So I guess in terms of skincare, a body lotion is one that I'm most willing to get because I go through them the fastest, because I do use a body lotion every day. But yeah, you can tell I'm not too excited about this, mostly because the smell isn't super appealing to me, and I love a good smelling body lotion, and this just is a little odd to me for a body lotion. Okay, oh my gosh, is this another skincare product? This is a way too skincare heavy box for my liking and for my preferences that I've given to Ipsy and all of my product feedback and my quiz. So this here is Mud Mask Glam Care Porefection Serum Infused Primer. Okay, I was thinking this was going to be a mask and I was going to be pretty upset to get a mask. But a serum infused primer that targets pores actually sounds like something I'm very into. Blurring, correcting, anti-aging, hydrating, unifying, fragrance-free. I actually love trying out primers, and I deal with large pores as one of my skin concerns. So the fact that this says it instantly minimizes the appearance of your pores while nourishing and hydrating your skin actually sounds incredible. Even though I was just kind of complaining about skincare, I actually love when it's a skincare and makeup product in one, and that sounds like what this is. So yay, I'm happy to get this and excited to try this out. This will be a good one to try out in a dedicated review video to see if these pore claims are actually true. So I already pulled out 5 products. When you get the Boxycharm with Beauty Boost, you get a 6th product. The last product in my box here is from Ofra, and it's gotta be, yeah, this is a makeup product, and this is a good one to end on because I am excited to see an Ofra palette, and this is a blush palette. And there are some interesting shades in here, but with a blush palette, I can mix around, try out different shades, combine them. And so hopefully I can find a color that would really work for my skin tone from this palette. It looks fun to play around with, looks pretty. So I think I'll do a dedicated review video on this as well to test out how these different shades look. Like this kind of neon orange shade is very interesting. So I'm not thrilled with this box, but it's okay. Let me do a quick recap. So I got the Dew of the Gods Ultra Tonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner, the Mud Masky Serum Infused Primer, the Ofra Blush Palette, the Natasha Denona Retro Glam Eyeshadow Palette, the This Works Sleep Lotion, and the Elemis Eye Treatment. So basically 3 products I'm not too excited about, and 3 products that I am excited about, the makeup products. However, if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them, your feedback. Maybe if you've tried any of these skincare products and you love them, that'll make me feel much more excited to try them out. But I'd also like to hear in the comments down below, what did you get in your June Boxycharm box? What do you think of your box? Do you like it this month? But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.